everyone. Hope everyone is doing great. Today we're going to check the new GPT for Zoho CRM. Actually, let me show you here. Unless you have been living under a rock, you're still not familiar with ChatGPT, but their new ability to create, your custom ChatGPTs. So what we tested is we trained one of the ChatGPTs with Zoho CRM, and we're using more than 100 PDFs, basically almost all the PDFs that Zoho has in their website. We've condensed them, categorized them, and then uploaded into the ChatGPT for Zoho CRM, and we built this pretty unique tool. Let me show you where it is. So you just click here, ChatGPT. That's going to open up the ChatGPT. I believe all these are going to be available on the store once GPT launches their application store. But if right now you can still access, with the link. So I will leave the URL in the description of the video. But here's the GPT for Zoho CRM. The idea is, instead of you having to go and look for the knowledge base manually in the Zoho website or into Google, type the question every time that you're looking for and then browse through everything, you kind of just ask the GPT to go get it for you. So we have a pretty easy prompt, which is let's get started. So you click there and the GPT is going to introduce itself and welcome you and let you know what are the things that it can do. He says, hello, I'm GPT for Zoho CRM, dedicated to assisting with queries about Zoho CRM, features, usage tips, troubleshooting common issues, and sharing best practices. How may I help you today? If you have specific questions about Zoho CRM or any topic, feel free to ask. Okay, before we test this, please keep in mind that this tool is still it has some limitations, and the limitations come, whatever limitations GPT-4 has, that's by extension going to be the limitation of the bot GPT for Zoho CRM. So if you keep that in mind, let's say, hi, my name is Francisco. Let's type it here. My name is Francisco. It's great to meet you. How can I assist you with Zoho CRM today? So let's ask a random question, what can I do with the card scanner app? I mean, this is pretty custom, right? I mean, it's unique about the scanning abilities of Zoho CRM for business cards. So it says the Zoho CRM card scanner app is a useful tool that allows you to quickly and efficiently capture and store business card automation directly. Okay, so give me everything that it can do. So let's ask another question more specific. Let's see. About reports, what can we ask about reports? Let's see. How much does Zoho CRM cost? Let's see if it's familiar about pricing. So it's analyzing. It's supposed to give us, let's see, what other questions can we ask the GPT model? And feel free to, test the application, ask your own questions, and let us know in the comments if you were successful on getting a specific instruction. So, for example, I don't know, I'm going to ask, what are the elements in the Canvas builder? Okay, so pricing, he seems to be struggling with it, but not anymore. Here it is. Zoho CRM free plan is free for up to 3 users. I believe that's correct. The standard plan for monthly subscription is $20. I think this may be outdated. The yearly $168, monthly on free premium support $4, $368. Okay, so these prices are in US dollars. Overpricing various other currencies. Okay, real values may have changed. Okay, so it's letting us know that these prices may not be correct. So we should probably check those. But let's ask another specific questions. What are the main modules in Zoho CRM? Let's see if he knows what are the modules and which ones. So leads, that's correct. accounts, perfect, contacts, interesting, deals, nice. So it is familiar with all the modules, sales orders, invoices, reports, and dashboards. Cool. Okay, so it is familiar. So now let's dive into something a little bit more complex. So let's see. I need a custom function to send an email to a lead 10 minutes after the lead entered the system. Can you help? I mean, this will require a little bit of programming. Creating a custom function to send an email to lead. Okay, step one is giving me specific instructions on how to do it. This is pretty cool. And look, it's even giving me the code. This is insane. Okay, write a custom function, and here's your function. Create the workflow rule, and then test. Holy guacamole. Obviously, we would have to put this to the test and see if this is actually working. In this case, it's actually using an API to send the email. So let's say, could I use a workflow instead of a custom function for this task? Let's see if it knows what the difference is between how to handle a workflow with just the workflow that it's already. Oh my God. It says, yes, you can use a workflow in Zoho CRM to send an email to a lead. And here are the steps. Create an email template. Create a workflow rule. Wow. And this is actually correct, ladies and gentlemen. Step 3, set the email alert, actions based for the workflow creation. Yeah, email templates you should have scale. Save and test. Very, very nice. Okay, so this is amazing. I can see these growing in popularity a lot because you can actually get help like your Jarvis for Zoho right here in the computer, and these things are going to keep learning. And as we progress, we're going to keep feeding more information into the bot. So GPT for Zoho CRM will eventually know as much as Zoho about Zoho CRM. So this is pretty good. This is great. Thank you for your information. Thank you for your help. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. GPT for Zoho CRM. Once the store is published, you're going to be able to look at. You're welcome, Francisco. I'm glad I could help. This is great. Uh, so, like I said, once GPT launches the store for the GPTs, you should be able to find it in there. But in the meantime, come to our website, and I'll leave the link in the description, and you can access the GPT for CRM right here in our website. This is the interface that you should see when you log in for the first time. Okay, so there you have it. GPT for Zoho CRM. You will navigate like never before with GPT for Zoho CRM. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you, guys.